almost 50 years of breeding British. Magnificent blood, print, dense coat, even in color. This is a young girl. Look at her body. Already great size. Big butt, thick tail, round head, beautiful copper eyes on her, little ears nicely rounded, and has that unflappable British demeanor. And can we have the owner come up, please? It's not the name that's in the catalog, it's the name we call our pets, our beautiful cats. My best British guy is one of my top 2 cats to show. Stay right there. Here's my dog. A new breed based on photoshopping what they wanted to see. It wasn't necessarily what the breeding program was able to produce. And so for a long time, we weren't seeing what the dream was. This is a young male. He's tall on his leg. He's got that athletic body. Beautiful long leg. Look at those ears. Magnificent ears on 2 magnificent cats at the top of their game. They're young. They're only going to get better. She's a girl. Look at those chubby cheeks on her. Look at those big eyes. She's got the thumbprint behind the ear that is supposed to trick the animals in thinking you can see from behind. He has everything, that wild look. Yeah, look at the temper. Second best, all three.